In this video, we'll guide you through how to insert an image in Adobe Photoshop. First, you need to open Photoshop. You might already have a project open, or you may just have a blank canvas. Either way works. To insert an image, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Place Embedded. Your File Explorer will open. From there, locate the image you want to insert. This could be a logo, a photo, or any picture you want to use. Select it, then click Place. The image will now appear on your canvas. You can resize it by clicking and dragging the corner handles. You can also move it by clicking and dragging it to your desired position. Once you are happy with the placement, click the check mark to confirm and apply the changes. This step is very important. If you want to make further adjustments later, go to the Layers panel, select your image layer, and press Ctrl-T on your keyboard. This will allow you to resize or transform the image again. That's it. You have successfully inserted and positioned an image in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.